Hi guys, this is the video for Thursday, April 2nd, and today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to access our textbook online so that we're able to all read the same texts. So today your classwork, when you go to your Google Classroom for number 3, will be to explore the online textbook, and you're going to answer the textbook web quest questions so that I know that you were able to access the textbook and navigate it. So what is our textbook? Our textbook is Edge Level A, grades 9 through 12. It's green. You want to make sure you're selecting the correct textbook for ESL 2, which is this textbook. So how do you log on to the textbook? You're going to click on this link. You're going to use this student username. Everyone's using the same username and the same password. It is not your Danbury email. It is student01@danburyedge.com. The password is welcome123. Please notice the W in welcome is a capital letter. I would suggest bookmarking this page on your computer so that you can go back to it easily. So let me show you how to log on. I'm going to click on this link. It's going to take me here. I already typed in and saved the password, so make sure you have student01@danburyedge.com. Type that in and type in the password welcome123. No spaces. Sign in. Once I sign in, I'm going to see this screen. I'm going to click Launch Course. That's going to get me access to all of the textbooks that ESL uses. I'm going to click on this big picture of the globe. And here you can see that we have all of the textbooks for ESL. This is the one you did last year. We are clicking on the green textbook for ESL 2, Level A. Click on it again for the student edition. You can see that it pops up with what our textbook looks like. Now, we can just go like this and go through every page, but that would take a very long time. So we want to go here, the table of content. I'm going to click here and you'll see all of the units. We've already done unit 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're on unit 5, so I'm going to click unit 5. We're on cluster 2. So I'm going to click cluster 2, and here we go. I'm going to page 396. It will also state at the bottom. It looks exactly like the textbook. Here's some things you can do on the textbook to read it more easily. You can zoom in by using this plus button, zoom out by using the minus button. You can look at just a single page by pressing this. Go back to a double page. You can also make the page bigger on your screen by pressing this button, okay? You can also just scroll through. So here for this section we have the vocabulary. Then I'm going through to our first text, which is called Fear. I want you to notice that in the text, there is this button. That means we can listen to somebody reading the text.
Alfonso Zoe Driggers is 14 years old.
So if you want to hear someone reading it to you, you may use that feature. At the bottom, we have the glossary, just like in the textbook, okay? If we ever need to switch to a different text, a different story, we always go back to the table of contents, and we can find everything by the unit. So today, what you're going to do for your classwork is you're going to go onto that and you're going to explore specifically Unit 5, Cluster 2, which is what we're going to start working on. Make sure you're logging in using this link, this username, and this password. Go to classwork for today, Thursday, April 2nd, and you're going to answer these questions, textbook web quest questions. If you have any questions or problems, please email me or talk to me on Remind. Thanks.